Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are we doing today? Are we fired up? Are we fired up? Are we fired up? Come on, are we fired up? Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Come on, are we fired up? Thank you. Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you. My name is Kanye. I'm a field organizer for Northeast Las Vegas.
Also a field organizer right here in Northeast Vegas. So by show of hands, who has already early voted? Oh, that's incredible. Thank you so much for casting your ballot early. For those who haven't voted yet, who will be voting tomorrow? For those voting tomorrow, who's going to vote for Barack Obama? All right, so just so we're all on the same page, the polls open at 7 a.m. and they close at 7 p.m. All right, so go ahead, cast your ballot. There might be a little bit of a line, but please wait in that line and cast your ballot. We need your vote. Nevada is still a battleground state. But just so you know, too, casting your ballot isn't going to be enough, really, here in Nevada. We need your help.
Tonight's election eve, ladies and gentlemen, we are not to do it. There's no time to waste. Tomorrow we're going to be electing Barack Obama as the president.
Stress enough the importance of finishing this strong. We need to just give everything we have this last 24 hours here. So please sign up for a shift. We've come way too far to not finish this off like we started. So let's finish it off so that tomorrow night we can have the biggest party that Las Vegas has ever seen.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can.